What did you say?
I'm not going to take my seatbelt off.
But why?
Because the policeman will get me.
What happened last time?
What happened? Did a policeman get me that time?
Well, I don't know, did he?
Did he, Mommy?
He's gonna get you.
Oh no.
You better put your seatbelt back on.
Help! 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 Help!
Is it on?
No.
Do you have your seatbelt on?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Check it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's all good?
Yeah.
Tell him to go away then.
Go away.
Say I'm all buckled in.
He's not going away. He's not going away.
There he is. He's gone. Good job for keeping your seatbelt on this time. You're welcome.